Hey guys, Sabir here, back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the pros and cons of Android 6.0 Marshmallow update on Huawei P8 Lite, and I'll tell you if you should stay on Android 5.0 Lollipop or should you upgrade to Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is that you do not get that feature when you used to long press on Android 5.0 Lollipop. When you used to long press the recent menu button, yeah, you used to switch to that. Let me pause the music. You used to switch to that the previous application opened in the background. For example, I opened settings. Now I open messaging app, and if I long press on Android 5.0 Lollipop, if I long press this recent menu button, then I would have been automatically switched to settings, but that feature is no more there on the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Sorry. So yeah, next thing is that the settings have been now a bit of organized now. All those main settings are have now been moved to the advanced settings, and you'll find it difficult to find all those settings in your setting application at first when you upgrade, but when you get used to it, you'll find all your settings easily. So next thing is that privacy protection section in the settings has now been removed, and those settings are nowhere to be found in the settings, but I didn't really use them, so yeah, that isn't a big problem for me. Next thing is that shortcuts have now been more shortlisted now, and now we can only use 9 shortcuts of our own choice in this shortcut panel, and rest have to be hidden under the edit option. So yeah, this isn't really good. I do not like shortlisting of shortcuts. So next thing is that you cannot change the fonts when you customize this. When you go to customize when you customize your theme, you cannot change the font. You do not get an option to. But even if forcefully you change the fonts, for example, if I apply this font, it will be a great problem for you. Please, I warn you, do not switch your fonts, please. I switched my font and now I'm suffering, and I am regretting that I ever changed my fonts on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Please, I warn you, do not change your fonts. You cannot do that on Android 6.0 Marshmallow Huawei P8 Lite. So next thing is that, yeah, no, that's pretty much of it. So next, now I'll tell you about pros of Android 6.0 Marshmallow upgrade. So first thing is that you can record screen. Just long press, just hold this power button and volume up button, and you can record the screen, and the screen recording issue has now been fixed. Let me just stop recording. So yeah, the screen recording issue has now been fixed. All your screen recordings will be smooth now. Next thing is that you can take a scroll shot. For example, if I take a screenshot, I get an option to take a scroll shot, and the device will scroll itself, and where you want to stop, it will stop, and you have to tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling. So now let's check the scroll shot out. So this is how a scroll shot looks like. You can double tap it to just view it, like you view your view your actual page of the scroll shot you took. So yeah, this is how the scroll shot will look like. This is a really handy feature. And the next thing is that you get an option, the compass application in the tools, and you can delete it, so it's not a bloatware. So next thing is that you have that DTS mode in the music and video application. When you plug in your headsets, you get an option to turn on DTS mode, which is actually surround sound. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I have also made a video for that. I'll link that down in description, and I'll have that in my cards as well. So next thing is that you have more available amount of available RAM in your device. I have around 1.07 GB free, but I have also got around once I was using my device and I cleared all the all those recent applications, and I got around 1.6 GB of RAM available. Say 1.6 GB. And in Android 5.0 Lollipop I used to get around 800 to 900 MB free, and now I can get more amount of RAM free due to and now the UI is more smoother due to more available RAM. So let me focus please. So yeah, next thing is what that you can get. Let me show you over here. No, accessibility I guess. Let me just look for it. You get more there are some features of headset. Whenever you plug in your headset sorry, whenever you plug in your headset, you get more of type of features and stuff on those headset which you did not get in Android 5.0 Lollipop. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. Thanks for watching my video. For a conclusion, I'll say that if that fonts and those privacy protection things and the shortcuts panel, everything matter to you, matter to you more more than the screen recording and everything that you get with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, you should stay with Android 5.0 Lollipop. And if you want these new features of Android 6.0 Marshmallow upgrade, you should surely upgrade to Android 6.0 Marshmallow. But please note that you cannot root your Huawei P8 Lite running Android 6.0 Marshmallow currently, but there are the King Root is processing. You cannot root your Android 6.0 Marshmallow upgraded Huawei P8 Lite through King Root, but you can obviously do it manually. King Root is finding a strategy to upgrade Android 6.0 Marshmallow based Huawei P8 Lite. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. Please subscribe to my channel for further more daily tech videos. If you want to follow me on social media, please head over to the about section of my channel. Peace out.